Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, a paid Azure subscription, and the Foundry resource created in your target region. Once done, assign yourself contributor or owner so you can provision models and pipelines. This avoids permission friction later. Install Azure CLI and authenticate with AzLogin, then set the default subscription to the one with Foundry. Now create a Foundry project and choose a compute tier. This gets you ready to ingest data and deploy a model without interruption. You now build the core pipeline. Ingest your clean dataset into Foundry storage and define a schema so preprocessing knows column types. Next, pick a model template or bring your own. Customize hyperparameters and tokenizer settings to match data characteristics. Then assemble a pipeline. Add a preprocessing step, model inference node, and a logging or monitoring node. Make sure to enable auto-scaling if traffic varies. This structure ensures reliability and lets you iterate on components independently. You finish by deploying the pipeline to a staging endpoint and running integration and load tests to validate latency and correctness. Once satisfied, promote via CI/CD to production and enable auto-scaling and alerting for cost and performance control. If something fails, inspect Foundry logs and model container std out first, then verify resource quotas and role permissions. These are the usual culprits. Finally, roll back to the last working deployment if needed, and patch incrementally so you keep the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.